You will manifest a text from your specific person instantly while listening to this. Look, I know how crazy this might sound, but don't click away yet, because what if I told you that your specific person could actually text you before this video ends? Yeah, I mean it. Not tomorrow, not next week. I'm talking right now while you are sitting here listening to this. Sounds insane? Good. Because the people who thought it was crazy, the ones who rolled their eyes, felt the doubt in their chest, maybe even whispered, yeah, right, under their breath, those are the ones who got the results fastest. Isn't that wild? The second you stopped trying to make sense of it, the second they leaned in and said, you know what, I'm just going to try this, that's when it happened. That's when everything shifted. So before you skip away, listen to me for a few more seconds, because if you leave now, you might miss the one thing that finally works, the one thing that flips the switch, the one thing that gets you the text, not next year, but before this video ends. And here's the thing, I'm not promising you fairy dust. This isn't about wishing and hoping and sitting around trying to believe. Nope. This is about alignment, the real kind. The kind that makes your phone buzz while you are sitting here breathing calm as ever. And it's them. And they are not just saying, hey, they are saying exactly what you've been waiting to hear. The words that feel like a magnet in your chest. The message that makes your heart drop for a second because wow, it's finally here. But here's why you need to stay. By the end of this video, you are not just going to know how to hope for a message. You are going to know how to receive it. Not with desperate energy, not with fake confidence, not by tricking the universe or trying to manipulate the 3D, but by stepping into the version of you that doesn't chase anymore. The version of you that is so aligned, so sure, so magnetic. They come to you. Now let's get into it. Let me ask you something real quick. And be honest, have you ever done a manifestation technique? I'm talking about sitting there, eyes closed, heart wide open, really feeling it, imagining them texting you, seeing their name pop up, saying the affirmations over and over. Of course they love me. Of course they miss me. I really get what I want. You felt it. You believed it. You tried so hard. And then nothing. No message, no shift. Just that hollow silence in your chest and an inbox that didn't move. Sound familiar? Yeah. Well, you're not alone. And listen, it's not because the method was wrong. It's not because you didn't try hard enough. It's not even because they didn't care. It's because this is the truth nobody wants to tell you. You were still holding on too tight. You were still trying to force the result, still checking the phone every hour, still looking for proof that it was working, still refreshing the messages and secretly wondering, what if they never text? I know this because I've been there and my clients have been there. They were sitting on the bed holding their phone like a lifeline. They were checking and rechecking, asking themselves, did I miss it? Maybe the signal's bad. Maybe they're typing right now. And guess what happened? Nothing. Silence. And every time the silence grew louder, so did their doubt. So did their sadness. So did that little whisper that said, maybe it's just not meant to be. But here's where it gets weird. The moment they stopped caring, like actually stopped caring, the moment they stopped looking at their phone and thought, you know what? I'm done waiting. I'm good either way. The moment they put the energy down and picked their piece back up, that's when it happened. Their phone buzzed. It was them, not just some dry random hey, but the exact words they had been visualizing, the ones they had imagined again and again, like they had felt the shift even if they didn't know why. And do you know what changed? They stopped chasing energy. They stopped begging the universe. They stopped trying to make it happen. And they stepped into the receiving energy. And that's the key most people miss. Needing something keeps it away. But knowing it's already yours, that pulls it in. Let me say that again, loud and clear for the people in the back. When you need the message, you push it away. Because needing energy says, I don't have it yet. I'm still waiting. I'm still lacking. And the universe matches that vibration. But when you flip it, when you say, of course it's coming, I don't need to chase it, I already feel it, that's when things move fast. That's when your phone buzzes out of nowhere. That's when you hear from them without forcing a thing. That's when alignment becomes reality. So here's what I want you to do right now. Keep watching, keep breathing, drop the grip, drop the pressure, drop the question marks. Because while you're here, something is shifting. And if you stay open, just open, they might text before this video even ends. And when they do, don't act surprised. You didn't force it. You aligned with it. Think about it like this. Ever lose your keys? Like really lose them? You're standing there late for something important. Maybe your heart is already racing a little. You check the table, not there. Check your pockets, nothing. Couch, cushions, empty. So you flip your whole house upside down. Every drawer, every bag, under the bed, behind the fridge. You're retracing your steps like a detective in a crime show thinking, I literally just had them. You're frustrated. You're spiraling. You're asking out loud to no one, where the hell did I put them? And then the minute you stop looking, you exhale, you give up, you let go, and boom, there they are, sitting in the most obvious spot, like they've been waiting for you to calm down. That's what this is. That's what it's like with your specific person. They're not ignoring you. They're not gone. They're not lost. They're just waiting for your energy to shift. And once it does, it's like you become magnetic, not just attractive, undeniable. You become the version of you that doesn't chase, the version of you that radiates effortlessly, the version that doesn't need to scream, look at me, because your vibe already speaks louder than words. And if you're still checking your phone every 5 seconds, still doubting if this will work, still wondering if the message will come, still obsessing over what they are doing or thinking, still refreshing your notifications like something might have glitched, just pause and breathe. Right here, right now. Breathe in, hold it, feel it. Now slowly let it out. Do it again. Not because it's a mystical thing, but because right now you've been holding your breath in more ways than one. You've been tense. Your heart's been on edge. Your nervous system's been in fight mode. And that blocks the very thing you're asking for. So breathe. Feel your chest drop. Feel your shoulders relax just a little. That's you opening up to receive. You didn't just relax your body, you shifted your energy. And now say this with me. You don't have to be loud. You don't have to chant it. Just whisper it to yourself like it is already true. I am open and ready to receive the message I've been waiting for. Let it sink in. Again, slower this time, with feeling, with softness, like you already know the message is on its way. I am open and ready to receive the message I have been waiting for. Now close your eyes for a second if you want. Not to visualize, just to be here. To feel the moment. To realize that this isn't about manifesting a text. It's about remembering your power. This is about stepping back into that calm confidence that doesn't chase love. It attracts it. Because when you do this, when you stop clenching so tight, when you stop begging the moment to happen, you become a match for what you've been asking for all along. That's not you trying, that's you allowing. And that's the secret nobody talks about. The energy of allowing is magnetic. It's powerful. It doesn't scream. It whispers. And it whispers so loud they hear it in their soul. And listen, I'm saying this from experience, not hype. Don't be surprised if your phone buzzes while this video is still playing. Seriously, it's not magic. It's not coincidence. It's alignment. Because the second you shift into knowing, they feel it. Even if they are across the world, even if you haven't spoken in months, even if it makes no logical sense, they feel it. They think about you out of nowhere. They feel that little pull like, I should check in. I wonder what they're up to. And then what do? They grab their phone. They open your name and they reach out because you shifted. And that changes things. Now, before this wraps up, I want to ask you something real. What's one thing you wish they say in that message? If your phone buzzed right now and it was them, what is that one sentence that would make your heart stop? Drop it in the comments now. Don't hold back. Write it like it's already happening. Speak it into reality. This isn't about hoping anymore. This is about deciding. This is about choosing the version of you that doesn't sit on the sidelines waiting. You get to choose how your story unfolds. And hey, if this hit home for you, if something in your chest is saying, yes, this is what I needed, then here's what I want you to do. Like the video so your energy says, I am ready. Subscribe so we stay connected, because this isn't a one-time shift. This is a journey. And if you are really ready to dive deep, visit joybyjanell.com. I have so much more to help you not just manifest them, but become the version of you that never questions your worth again. And trust me, by the time this video ends, you will either get that text or feel so confident and calm that it's already on its way and you're not worried when. Either way, you win. And that's what it's always been about. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I will see you in the next video.